I was trying to find a workshop method or workshop format to figure out how to communicate the different systems we have across the globe within different teams, and how to bring them all together into a specific solution we're working on. And I just browsed the Miro database on different templates and different workshop methods, and I found one that fit, and I could just drag and drop it into Miro, have the template set up for me, and then we could just start the workshop. It only involved, I think, maybe an hour of preparation, whereas in the past, without Miro, I would have to browse the internet on different workshop methods and prepare for this maybe days in advance. With Miro, you can actually see the cursor move. You can see their input appearing live in front of you, so you know that you have the people engaged and involved in whatever you're trying to achieve at that moment. There's always an advantage of doing things in real time and being able to discuss directly with the other person, but sometimes it's just not possible, right? With Miro, we can put in our input, review it the other day, and continue the workshop across weeks, whereas in the past we would have to reserve a full day working from 9 to 5 on one specific topic, because at the end of the day everyone has to go back home and take their flight to whatever region they were from, and it's hard to continue what we were building on.